So my part is the autonomic nervous system. So the autonomic nervous system regulates in some of the internal organs, such as the heart. It also regulates in the stomach. And then some parts of the muscle. So the autonomic nervous system can be important in two situations. It can tell your body when to move, such as walking and running. It can also tell your body when to rest and digest. So this function regulates in skin, blood, eyes, stomach, and the heart. So this system is broken up into three parts: the sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric. So the ANS is always working even when your body doesn't realize it.
The brain controls your body temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing. It accepts a flood of information from your five senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. It handles your physical movement when walking, talking, standing, or sitting. It lets you think, dream, reason, and experience emotions. The biggest part of the brain is the cerebrum. It makes up 85% of the brain's weight. It's the thinking part of the brain, and it controls your voluntary muscles. You wouldn't be able to move without your cerebrum. When you think hard and you're using your cerebrum. Your memories also exist in your cerebrum. There are two sides of the cerebrum. Scientists think that the right side has music, shapes, and colors in it. The left half is told to help you with math, speech, and etc. The left side controls the right side. The brainstem is a small but important part of the brain. It is below the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. The brain stem helps you function. It helps you breathe, digest food, and circulate blood. It also controls your involuntary muscles. The brainstem sorts through millions of messages that the brain and the body send back and forth. The brainstem is a small but important part of the brain. It is below the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum. The pituitary gland is very small. Its job is to produce and release hormones into your body. Yeah. The hypothalamus controls your temperature. The brain is in charge, but it can't do it alone. The nerves and spinal cord help get the job done. Keep your brain healthy by eating healthy foods, getting a lot of exercise, not drinking alcohol, challenging yourself, and not doing drugs.
And I'll be doing the peripheral nervous system, and that is made up of nerves that connect the central nervous system, which is the brain and the spinal cord, to all parts of your body. The sacral nerves are the nerves that are in your legs. There are 4 different types of nerves in the human body. There's the cervical nerves, thoracic nerves, lumbar nerves, and sacral nerves. Cervical nerves consist of the neck and arms. Thoracic nerves consist of the nerves inside your chest and around the rib bones. Lumbar nerves are in your stomach area. The sacral nerves is the nerves that are in your legs. So how the nervous system works is first, the brain sends an order down through the spinal cord to the area where it wants to go, and then it separates off into the nerves.